This 2025 Dutchmen Kodiak SE 270BHSL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchmen is 31 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 10, skylight, leveling jacks, water heater, LP detector, external shower, awning, microwave, air conditioning, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Dutchmen Kodiak SE 270BHSL is 5,336 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.